Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you about how to access your child's weekly schedule and Zoom links. I will email you this information so you can always access it that way, or you can go through Seesaw. Once on Seesaw, you'll see on the left-hand side that there will be different teachers that you can visit, such as the gen ed teacher or specials teacher, but you're going to want to look for the Miss Palmer tab. Once in there, when you see your child's name and their visual avatar, if you put your cursor over their visual, you will see on the right-hand side a folder pop up. Once you click on that folder, you will see a link that will take you to the Zoom links, as well as a link that will take you to the weekly schedules. Once you get to those documents, you need to click View Original. When you click View Original, the document will open up and you will be able to see all of the information that you need. If you have any questions about how to utilize Seesaw, you can contact myself or one of our tech coordinators at Windsor. For the Zoom links, you will see that there is a page for each teacher that your child's going to visit throughout the week. This includes the specials teachers as well as the therapists. To access their individual Zoom link, you're going to want to click on the Zoom visual, which will take you to the site. So as you can see, each teacher has a different visual and a different link. If for some reason a link isn't working, just let me know. For the weekly schedule, you will see that on that page, any passwords that your child needs for certain learning platforms will be included. Information about what they can do during independent work times, and information about what they can do during our iPad station. You'll see that for the independent work time and the iPad station, this is not a live Zoom scheduled activity. However, if you have any questions during those times, you can always pop onto our Zoom to ask them, and you just need to click this Zoom visual to get to our office hours where staff will be available to help. For the schedule, you will see on the left-hand side, it will say the day of the week and whether it's morning or afternoon. You will then see different time frames. Any time frame that is highlighted, such as these, means that your child has a live Zoom that they need to attend. In order to get to the Zoom, again, you can go back to their Zoom links page, or you can just click on the visual and it will take you directly there. So as you can see, any activity that has a Zoom can just be clicked right on the visual. Any activity that is not a Zoom, such as these two, will not have anything linked to them. I have also included some tips on the right-hand side. As you can see, I am telling you when you can just stay on the Zoom because your child is being asked to attend the next activity in the same Zoom. I'm telling you when you can leave the Zoom. I'm telling you when you can turn off your Zoom. And I'm telling you when you are finished with a Zoom completely for that morning, that afternoon, or the day. You'll see that if your child has Zooms in with different teachers, there will be a message such as this. Leave Zoom after and go to the next Zoom. So that means that these are two different Zoom links. Again, you'll see that here. Leave Zoom after and go to the next Zoom. Each activity is going to have a title of what it is, so this one says group attendance, and the main teacher that is going to be with your child, so Palmer. So you will see that some activities say the teaching assistants' names because they will be present in that activity. If you have any questions about how to access your child's schedule or any of the meaning behind the different supports that are included on the pages, please let me know. Thank you for watching.